The Warriors secure the opening tip, and we're underway in Oakland. His first effort off the mark.
Hey guys, this is Avocado Muzimba, and today I'm going to be playing basketball, and I'm going against my younger brother David.
Now push it. Let's attack in transition so we
Huh?
can build this lead.
Pause.
Kyrie across the timeline. They trail by 2. That'll be out of bounds. Last touch by the Warriors. No turnover as possession stays where it was. Irving knocks it down from mid-range.
In his face.
I get tired of hearing guys say,
By the way, I'm Golden State, and then David is the West.
He is right eye dominant. Get that hand over his right eye, block his vision. That'll enhance his chances of missing the shot. Russell into the front court. Looking to make something happen. That's off the side of the rim, no good. Knocked loose. Great hustle. That's what you like to see.
Klay Thompson.
He had nowhere to go. The result.
Oh, that was Curry.
Well, as they get ready for the jump, someone's going to come away with the basketball.
Oh, get blocked. Get blocked. Oh, that's shot.
Kyrie Irving, 2 for 2. That's what you want. It looks like he's using his ball handling to feel the game out. I know it looks like he's just playing around out there trying to get the fans going. That is true, but he's also finding his rhythm. Pick up.
Kyrie, block. Let's go.
To Curry.
Curry, shot. Yes, sir. Draymond Green.
Durant over to the right side. To Harden. Curling inside. Knocked loose. Warriors come away with it.
Yes, sir. D'Angelo Russell.
That shot was nice, but that pass, that was the real highlight. Good teams always find a way to get the best shot available.
Yeah.
And it's cleared by Thompson. Green to Curry.
Curry.
4-3. Can't go down. Smothering defense. Durant.
Yes, sir.
That's good D. Shot no good. And look, sometimes you don't have it every single night. Maybe utilize
free
yourself
throw
as a decoy and get some teammates involved with your passing. James Harden, a couple of free throws on the way. A career 85% free throw shooter. And hits the first free throw. Good free throw shooter. Knocks down.
Please, in the comment section, I just got a new mic, so tell me what you think. Is it a good mic, or, you know,
Russell with a shot no good.
and if you can hear me really well, because I think they're good. They're Turtle Beach Air Force Recon 70s. They're red and black, so I think they're pretty cool.
If we compared AD just to one player, he's an amalgamation. Think about Tim Duncan, Kevin Garnett, Marcus Camby. Throw them all into a blender, you get Anthony Davis. And he scores. Jay, may have taken a big step that
Yeah,
time,
Anthony
but
Davis
they'll
is
count the
pretty
bucket.
good.
When the ball's in his hands, we all knew what was going to
Yes,
happen.
sir, Green.
D'Angelo Russell. Yes, D'Angelo Russell. 2 for 3 now here in the first.
And in today's game, you have to make shots like that. Nice work draining it from deep.
Why is he open?
It's good. If you don't stand in his
Why
way,
was he
he's
open?
going to make you pay. Knock loose. They've got it now. Harden into the front court. Right now.
No.
Lets it fly from
Harden.
long range. And James Harden knocks it down from 3. Now the Warriors gonna call a timeout as they'll discuss matters in what's now a 3-point game. Time for some new personnel into the game. Goes to the left side. Russell had made his first couple, but he misses there. LeBron into the front court. Up by 3. Davis, short jumper, stays out. Draymond Green swats it. Thompson to bring it into the front court. He'll run the offense. Davis. Anthony Davis. 3 for 4. Good start. AD, is he a new age big?
Easy answer is yes. He is Mr. Versatility. He can do everything on both the offensive and the defensive end. He can fight the post, battle for position. He can protect the rim. Plus, if you switch, he can guard guards on the perimeter. That's what you love about AD. You need something, he has an answer for you.
Russell against Harden. Lets it fly from beyond the arc. Well, this could be a sign of things to come. He's 3 of 4 from downtown to start the game.
And a dangerous thing for the defensive team, he has fresh legs. That was great lift on that jump shot.
To Irving. Going to launch beyond the arc. Jay, another one goes down. They're right where they want to be.
Exactly. Next play, you have to turn around defensively and get in the stance and actually keep that same kind of tempo.
Missed it. To Sean Livingston. Shot won't go.
It's easy. Force guys into low percentage shots. That's the reason why we're big into stats. It was all provided to you before the game in the scouting report.
D'Angelo Russell. He was all over.
And there's always so much talk about defense. How about offensively? If you continue to attack that shooter, now you're making him work on the defensive end. That makes him take his legs away on offense.
Russell, the hot shooting continues. He's got 12 in the first quarter, including that trifecta.
And Ed, did you see how quick his release was? There was no wasted motion from the waist up.
Oh yes, me and you.
Trying to cash in. Shot's no good. You have to like the confidence, but that was a difficult shot. Deep 3 at the buzzer. So we are through one in what has been an end. Ed Cohen, Jay Williams with you as we get things started here in the second quarter. To Thompson. That's a turnover. It goes.
Oh yeah, by the way guys, I'm getting Subnautica soon. So I'm gonna do some live streams like gameplay.
Warriors have it.
So be on the lookout for that. I think it's gonna be great. Come on.
To Simmons. Davis. Not that time.
Let's be realistic. He's probably not going to miss a lot of shots. But the more effort you can give, you want to try to tire him out. Take his legs away. Make him work to catch the ball. That's how you win a defensive game.
To Thompson. Can't connect.
Come on, Klay
This happens
Thompson.
all the time in this league. Sometimes offensively, you're tired. It's one of those type of nights. You combine that with the fact that the defense is hungry and active.
What are you doing,
testing
David?
everything. That's why shots aren't dropping.
Draymond Green pins
Get
it.
blocked.
You know why? I don't see anybody on the defensive end.
What?
standing
Who was
up in
that?
position. I see everybody squatted down, really active with their hands. That's the mentality that will lead you to where you want.
Kidding me?
So the
Ben
first points
Simmons.
for him in this first half, and he knocks it down for 3.
Yeah, they really need him to get going. Really surprised that none of his teammates have been talking to him. This is when he needs him the most. They have to uplift him, help him continue to be confident on the court.
Okay. This time we're doing for real.
To Green.
No.
No restarting. Don't.
Oh, too late. I didn't hear you. Sorry.
You heard me.
Okay, fine. I won't do it
The
again.
opening tip controlled by the Warriors, and we're underway in the final year at the Oracle. That's the start they were looking
First
for.
shot,
Just
D'Angelo
as the
Russell.
fans were getting seated.
And I love that aggression. Stylistically, you have to come out and dictate the
Okay.
tempo of the ball game. Don't ease your way
Yeah,
into
how we
it.
doing,
Keep
huh?
your foot on the gas.
Yes, sir.
His first effort
Huh?
off the mark.
Great contest by the D, but I want to see the coaching staff call the same exact play the next possession. Get that offensive player the ball. Let him prove that it wasn't the D. It was more on
Kyrie
his overhead.
Irving.
Golden State at the control. Knocked loose.
That's just toxic.
Those are the types of shots you always
Oh
strive
yeah,
for.
I like that.
He's
I
a
like
modern
that.
day big that plays like a 6'2 guard. Scary.
It's Steph for two. Steph Curry missed his first. That one goes. His instincts are unnatural.
Balling like
Well, he's
Curry.
so good given the work he's put in.
The special thing about Stephen Curry is that his entire life he has practiced.
Yes,
great
sir.
habits.
Willie
A lot of players
Cauley-Stein.
practice and get up shots, but they don't practice the right habits, and that comes with the lineage. His father, Dale Curry, making sure that he puts in the
How?
time and effort, but the proper skill with the time and effort.
Russell here against Harden. It's a turnover as they head the other way.
I'm hearing some boos from the crowd. They know just like I know you're not getting back on D.
Basket's good on the follow. Way to stay
Alright,
with it.
we about to
I
go
like that
sweat.
aggression early. You never just
I'm about
settle
to
for
sweat.
jumpers. You attack, you attack, you attack. Then when they back off, you'll have room to shoot that, Jay.
And
Yes,
Steph,
sir.
he can make that shot with his eyes closed. Wide open, knocks down the three. He has an uncanny approach to the game.
And did you see that? His eyes are his deadliest weapon. When he steps over half court, when he looks at the rim, that naturally throws the defender off. It makes the defender lean just a little bit. And just that millisecond of you wondering what he's going to do, splash is enough for him to
Yes,
escape.
sir. Clay
Do
Thompson.
it as well.
First shot
Hand in his face,
of the match.
strokes the three.
Well, the defense has been good, but the shot-making ability has been
Imagine
better.
missing a
And
green.
sometimes for NBA players at this level,
Just
the more
imagine.
you're in their face, the more it helps them center their focus on the target, which is making the shot. I know it sounds weird, but trust me, it's a real thing.
Huh?
Leonard, huge block. Has a chance.
Just erasing mistakes
What?
left and right.
Harden with it up top. All tied up, 13 apiece. James Harden, 2 of 4 now. The challenge defending a guy who can be a 1 or a 2.
We're not old men talking about this game. We don't define players by positions anymore. Is he a 1 or is
Yes,
he a 2?
sir.
No, he's James Harden. He is a scorer and an elite passer.
What? What just happened?
Curry into the front court. His team up by 1. And
Draymond Green.
throws it down. They have set the tone in this one.
No, you
I
can't.
love when I see offenses come out in beast mode. You attack that paint, you get to the
Yeah,
rim,
because it's
and
my
inevitably
live
the
stream.
floor will open up for you to knock down some threes.
No. 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 Okay, fine.
The Warriors secure the opening tip, and we're underway in Oakland.
Shot.
Curry, that's the start they were looking for, just as the fans were getting seated.
And I love that aggression. Stylistically, you have to come out and dictate the tempo of the ball game. Don't ease your way into it. Keep your foot on the gas.
Knocked loose. That's a turnover. It goes the other way. Here's LeBron for 2. Not that time.
And that's how you close out on a shooter with a sense of urgency.
What?
The shooter was more worried about his landing space than he was the shot.
Klay Thompson matched up with Durant. Fires the 3.
Huh.
Tough shot.
In his
He
face.
hits.
Not everybody possesses this power. But wow, what court awareness.
Harden. Off the iron. No good. On the follow. Way to stay with it. Jay, you've known Kyrie Irving since he was a young man growing up in New Jersey. He's overcome a lot of obstacles, chief among them staying healthy and on the floor.
Yeah, and he's been battling injuries since his freshman year of college. But the beautiful thing about Kyrie Irving is that he always
Oh my
loves the big
gosh.
stage. Making the game-winning shot in Game 7, he will continue to do so when he surrounds himself with great, inspiring leaders. with the
Oh my
likes of
gosh.
Kobe Bryant.
Cauley Stein. D'Angelo Russell. His first effort off the mark.
Just because you're an elite shooter doesn't mean you need to shoot the ball every possession. Maybe give a head fake, crack into the defender, Get to the free throw line. See the ball go in the hole.
If he misses,
Irving, that's off the side of the rim, short. To Thompson.
ankles
Beyond the arc
taken,
for three, and splash. Klay Thompson,
ankles
quick catch
broken.
and shoot there for three.
I hope everyone here knows the golden rule. Guys, remember, sharing is caring.
Now
What?
be out of bounds. Last touch by the Warriors.
Oh,
James buries it on the catch and shoot.
LeBron
Does he have
James.
eyes in the back of his head or what? I get paid money to watch and study this game daily. Even I didn't see that.
Green in his face.
Stephen Curry. We say it time and time again. Not much the defense could have done there.
And if you're on D right now, if you're off on the weak side, stunt towards the driver. That means fake at him. Don't overcommit. Stunt, then get back to your stay at home. Force him to make one of those passes.
Yeah,
Take a crazy shot.
yeah,
That'll get
yeah.
Golden State. Curry cleans it up around the perimeter to Curry. Here's a chance from long range. Or this could be a sign of things to come. He's 3 of 4 from downtown to start the game.
And the dangerous thing for the defensive team, he has fresh legs. That was great lift on that jump shot.
No,
Misfires. It's no good. To Irving. Has a
that's
look.
green.
And 2 points to the board. Simply put,
If you make it, if I miss this, David, and you make a 3,
magic could
then
happen.
oh,
Poetry in motion.
oh,
And it's a situation
Oh.
in which the ball is attached to his body. He has it on a yo-yo. He can put the ball and dangle the ball out there for other people to think they have a chance. And in their mind, they do. But in Kyrie's mind, the game is over.
Leonard made his first effort, but not that time. Thompson to bring it into the front court.
yes sir.
By 6. Jay, another one goes
I'm just
down
being
there
open
right
and
where
just
they
making
want to
shots.
be.
Exactly. Next play, you have to turn around defensively and get in the stance and actually keep that same kind of tempo.
Yes sir.
Leonard, no good. To Thompson,
Clay.
can't connect. Nice touch around the basket with the tip. Mike Malone
11-point
will use
lead.
a timeout. His
Let's
guys
go.
find themselves down double digits already in this first quarter. Time to adjust. Both
It's only the
coaches
first
making
quarter, too.
changes on the floor. To Durant. From long range. No good. That's great
What you
defense.
thought?
To Curry. Knocked loose. It's a turnover. As
No,
they
we're not
find it.
switching this time.
Here's Davis. KD follows up with the putback slam.
You can forget about it when he uses that 7'5" wingspan to attack the bucket.
Curry.
Yes sir.
The hot shooting continues. He's got 12 in the first quarter, including that trifecta.
And Ed, did you see how quick his
Oh, that's
release was?
green.
There was no
That's it.
wasted motion from the waist up.
Wide open. Too easy. You can't give him that look. Curry has it. For 3. He engulfed him that time.
Shoot or shoot. Period. I don't want to hear any excuses. That's why you're on the floor. You
Get
keep doing what you're
blocked.
doing with that superior confidence.
Get
Too much contact.
blocked.
And free throws coming. Kyrie Irving. He's got 2 shots coming. A career 87% from the line. First free throw is good.
Yes sir.
And he makes them both.
Ooh, I like that.
Thompson
Oh.
to bring it into the front.
No way.
His team on
No way.
5 threes in this first quarter.
That's like
And if my
Curry
memory
range.
serves me correctly, I think the record for threes made in the game is 13. At this pace, he probably shot that.
And that's Steph's record. Steph Curry sends
Let's
it
go.
away.
Get blocked.
That'll be out of bounds. Last touch by
Huh?
Curry. Knocked loose. And that one is out.
Get back.
To Alec Burks. Fires the 3. That's off the side of the rim. No good. Across the timeline comes James. Trailing by 11. They'll take it.
Green.
Let's see, Jay, if that wakes them up.
Yeah, that was a big-time 3, but the most important possession is now, the one you're currently in. Don't focus on the next play, but focus on the present.
Count the basket.
This
Alex
comes down to great
Burks.
execution both on the offensive and
Alex
defensive end of the
Burks.
floor. Let's see if they can carry this into the second quarter.
Durant cleans it up. Steph Curry.
Get blocked. That's Stephen Curry. Again.
Tips it.
2 blocks in a row. How does that make you feel? How does that make you feel? How do you feel?
Knock loose. That ends the first quarter. The Warriors enjoying some breathing room right now. Ed Cohen, Jay Williams with you as we get things started here in the second quarter.
I got the steal. Here we go. Here we go.
Lillard. D's got
Damian Lillard.
He's
Fresh out of the gate.
makes his first shot.
And in today's game, you have to make shots like that.
Yes, sir.
Nice work bringing it from deep.
Unbothered by the defense as he drills it.
It's so deadly. Now look, part of that is God-given talent. But the other part is that ball speed combined with that
Oh my
handle. Sure, it's
gosh.
off the charts. But he always finds a way to slow himself down.
I think David might actually catch up now.
Steph Curry matched up with Lillard. He continues to light it up from downtown. 5 threes now in
Yes.
his first half.
Yeah, and what's shocking, Ed, is that he's gotten so many open looks. Look, stay down in the stands, stay disciplined, stop losing him, stay attached to his hip, and force him to put the ball on the ground off those curls and finish over your bigs.
Gets
What?
it in the left corner. Kawhi Leonard to Green. Knock loose. That's a turnover. It goes the other way. Thompson.
Klay Thompson.
Rare miss the way he's been shooting. Shot's no good.
And look, sometimes
Oh
you
my
don't gotta go every
gosh.
single night. Maybe utilize
Oh
yourself as
my
a decoy
gosh.
and get some teammates involved with your
Oh, wow. That was just too clean. Oh, break him. Shot. Wet. Oh my gosh.
Simmons into the front court. Down 12. Thompson.
Shot.
Off the mark. Davis to Lillard.
Shot.
Shot by Lillard, no good. Knock loose. That'll be out of bounds. Last touch by the Warriors. It remains Warrior basketball. Mixing things up. Hockey line substitutions. Both teams making changes. To Green. Knock loose. It's a turnover as they head the other way. Harden in possession. Down a dozen.
Why did you do
Not
that?
done yet. Durant to Thompson. Yes, Klay
Okay.
Thompson. He's now shooting 5 for 7.
And if you don't contest, he's knocking that down with ease.
Here we go.
And
My
Steph
ball, my
Curry
ball.
with the rock. 4-3. And Steph Curry dials in from 3.
You live by the
20
three,
points.
you die by the 3. And guess in large right now.
Oh, that shot.
Shakes free and hits.
Even though
Classic
the
Larry
coach
Bird.
initially may not like that shot, now he's clapping because that ball went in.
Curry. Count the bucket for 2.
Well, when you
I think
play
that was
for
my
each
first
other,
layup
not
this
just
whole
for
game.
yourself, that's when great things happen. You essentially lose yourself in what the team is trying to accomplish. It's called unselfish basketball. And there's nothing more beautiful than rewarding your teammate with a nice pass and letting them
Shot
finish
after
with 2 or 3
shot.
points.
To Thompson.
That
Let's apply
shot.
from long range. Good luck making excuses. Klay Thompson wide open. He's not going to miss that one.
It's all about creating space with the dribble. Once you have that gap,
Yes,
you
sir.
can beat somebody in a variety of ways. He chose the dagger with the 3.
Way too easy. Way too easy.
To Thompson. Lets it fly from beyond the arc. Knocks
Shot.
it down. That was a tough shot.
Ed, let me tell you how this one goes. It ain't no fun if the homies can't have some. Everyone's getting a piece of the rock tonight.
Yep. Backcourt violation. Next time, David, when you get the ball, just keep on going. Don't
Changes
stop.
coming onto the floor. Curry.
If I make this, okay.
He's not shy about shooting it from out there, but he misses this time. Durant with the basketball up top.
Shot.
Looking to make something happen. Great feed, sets it up, and the finish. Slam dunk.
Klay Thompson can
Effort
dunk?
is what concerns me the most. Effort is replenishable. If you're tired, raise your hand. Check
I didn't know
yourself
you
out.
could
Get
dunk,
somebody who
though.
actually wants to get back in transition and play some defense. That will help your team win the game. Not you just staying in the game to be better on offense.
to Thompson. Trying to cash in. Shot by Thompson misses.
That's how you do it. You keep riding him to the basket, and if the refs aren't calling it, keep being physical.
Yes,
keep
sir.
knocking him off balance.
To Thompson. It's LeBron. And a putback slam. Jay,
KD.
the deal. Keep the touches coming inside.
As long as that defense continues to give you high percentage
Wow.
shots, you better take that every time.
Why didn't he
Goes
take
the
the?
other way. Kevin
That
Durant
shot.
lets it fly. Kevin Durant, 3 for 6 now.
Here's a tip for your defense. You can't give him that much space. You have to push up into his personal space and make
Yes,
him play
sir.
the majority of the possessions with his back to the basket. Because if you allow him to open up, there's no stopping.
Thompson. Oh, good offense.
On the
Good
catch and shoot.
defense.
Just let me break down to all the young players at home how special of a pass this was. That was a perfect delivery, and it hit the player right in the chest.
That's true. What? Yes.
Curry. And he buries it. Jay, the system produces once again.
Everything looks great when you shoot the ball like this. And
That
yes,
shot.
This team does have some issues, but they are all matched and camouflaged with this shooting display we're watching.
LeBron James only has 6 points.
So the first points for
Yes, sir.
him in this first half, and he knocks it down for 3.
Yeah, they really need him to get going. Really surprised that none of his teammates have been talking to him. This is when
Yes,
he needs
sir.
him the most. They have to uplift him, help him continue to be confident on the court.
Thompson to bring it into the front court. His guys can hold for the final shot. KD with the rock. Going to launch beyond the arc. Still hasn't hit from deep in the first half. No good. Corner 3. Good. A 3.
Buzzer beater. Green buzzer beater.
As they've extended.
Gotti.
Fellas, back to you. Hey, look up, look up,
To Leonard.
Shot.
Kawhi Leonard. He's 3 for 7.
Good shot.
The one thing we know for certain in this league, it doesn't matter how big the margin
No.
is, you can always put together a run and get back in this one.
Hart with the basketball.
My ball.
Trailing by 15.
I like this double team right here. Pick it up.
Finishing inside the paint on that one.
Yes,
This
sir.
type of game needs to be celebrated. This is the type of culture that is fostered when you play with unselfish
Yes,
players.
sir.
When you give up a little bit of yourself and you make your teammate look great, that's the difference between winning and losing. So when you
Yes,
see
sir.
these guys smiling, when you see them giving each other
What?
high fives, that's because of the energy that was created from the pass. Pass is one of the most brilliant things we have in this game.
Oh my
Goes
gosh.
to lay it in.
And there's nothing more mentally intimidating for your opponent than when your own teammates
Yes,
are
sir.
unselfish and make sure that you get the ball because they want you to drop 70 on them, maybe like Devin Booker did last year.
Thompson.
Who?
And he finally misses one after making his first 6. Harden in position.
Wait, he made 6 shots in a row. Klay Thompson made 6 shots in a row.
3 for 8. He's got to do better.
You know, from a point guard
No, I'm talking about
one
Tom
of the
Klay.
things that I learned when I played in the league
No.
was that the more I was willing to give the ball up, the harder other players were willing to run to their spots. The harder the bigs were running to the rim. The harder the three-point shooters were running to the three-point line because they knew they could be active recipients. And when they caught the ball, they knew exactly what to do with it.
Couldn't keep it in. Out off Willie Cauley-Stein.
Yeah. That's true.
Harden. Yes.
He still made it.
To the shooter.
You know, from a point guard perspective, one of the things that I learned when I played in the league was that the more I was willing to give the ball up, the harder other players were willing to run to their spots. The harder the bigs were running to the rim.
Shot.
The harder the three-point shooters were running to the three-point line because they knew they could be active recipients. And when they caught the ball, they knew exactly what to do with it.
Here we go. I got ball.
Ha. I didn't even move from my spot.
And the three-point shot of the offense applies so much pressure on the defense, you can no longer build your teams inside out. The new
Oh,
way, you build
wow.
your team outside in.
I know that.
James.
That shot.
Rebounded by Russell. To Green. Yes.
And one.
And a foul. He'll have a chance at a three-point play.
That was such a great job by the offensive player. knowing that you're probably going to take some lumps here and there, but still remaining aggressive throughout the shot and getting a crack at the extra point.
Draymond Green at the line for a chance at a three-point play. A career 70% free throw shooter.
That shot.
Not that time.
And there's always so much talk about defense. How about offensively? If you continue to attack that shooter, now you're making him work on the defensive end. That makes him take his legs away on the offensive end.
That's me.
To Thompson.
That's off.
Not that time. The follow won't go either. To Thompson. Fires
Yes,
the
sir.
three. Add another one to his total. That's now 7 threes for the ball game.
And the ball is finding him wherever he goes on the court. Man, that boy, he the best.
Irving. Man, that was a tough shot.
I don't know
Okay.
how he saw his man out in the cut like that, but that was nice.
Curry. It's no good. Shot's not going down. The follow won't go either. To Irving.
Yep.
Kyrie Irving. He's 5 for 10, shooting 50%.
This type of game needs to be celebrated. This is the type of culture that is fostered when you play with unselfish players. When you give up a little bit of yourself and you make your teammate look great, that's the difference between winning and losing. So when you see these guys smiling, when you see them giving each other high fives, that's because of the energy that was created from the past. Pass is one of the most brilliant things we have in this game.
Can't fault the defense. D'Angelo Russell hits.
And watching all these great shooters on the floor at once, it almost mesmerizes me. It's like you're watching the shot in slow motion, the backspin. It gives off the feel that the ball's going in every time.
Lillard takes aim at Livingston.
What are you doing? Okay.
Beyond the arc for three.
Okay.
Damian Lillard. Not much more the defense could have done. Hits a contested
He's
three.
too good.
For average shooters, that's not a great shot. But for a great shooter, that's a good look.
Hey, check up. Let's go.
Leonard.
Leonard.
Offensive board to Leonard. Here's a chance from long range. And the rebound grabbed by the Warriors.
What are you doing?
Knocked loose. Looney defended by Thompson. Anthony Davis. Small sample size, but making the most of it. He's 1 for 2.
You used to hear all these coaches talk about, we need players to run the floor. No, I don't need you to run the floor. I need you to run the floor with purpose. Those are two different things. When you run the floor in attack mode, that's when plays like this occur.
Yes, and the foul.
And
a
one.
chance at 3 coming up.
He should get some kind of acting award. That's a great sell by the offensive player. But guess what? The ref spit, and that's the game.
Yeah, 'cause you touched me. You're not
Trying
supposed to
cash
touch
in
me.
on a three-point play. 56% for his career. Free throw up and good as they open things up to a 13-point lead. Lillard had made his first 3, but that shot off the mark.
And big-time coaching strategy by the staff right there, utilizing their bench, keeping fresh legs on that shooter consistently throughout the course of the game.
Scrambles to keep it alive.
You're supposed to pass.
They're in position. Let's see who can retain it. From long range.
Yes. What?
Can't connect. It's no good. Anthony Davis. Quiet night, but 2 for 3 in the contest right now.
There is no recovery, Ed, in particular if the defender does not stay on balance.
For 3, buries it on the catch and shoot.
Kevin Looney.
15-footer at the buzzer. 3 quarters down. The Warriors with a
Huh.
standing lead.
Dude, you can win this. If you really sweat, yeah. It's only 12 points.
The defending champs, Jay, getting all they can handle here at the Oracle.
You don't see this very
Now
often.
10 points.
They come in and put up one heck of a fight, but it doesn't matter if you don't get a check in that win column.
Warriors basketball. That's a turnover. It goes the other way. Into the front court, it's Irving. His guys trail by 10.
Okay.
It's a dangerous spot. Kevin Durant wide open. He nails it.
A lackluster first half performance. For this half, you seem like a different person.
To Irving. Free throw is coming up.
Ah, foul.
You gotta know your personnel. That's It's not someone you want to send to the line for a free two.
Kyrie Irving at the line for 2 shots. Hasn't missed yet. First one, count it. Able to convert on both free throws. Livingston across the timeline. Up 5. Not that time. He missed it.
Show me something better than that, baby. It's game time.
Durant across the timeline. They'll run the offense. LeBron James now 4 for 9.
See, I told you you could catch up.
So many voices, even that of the great Shaquille O'Neal, talking about how LBJ needed to submit his own legacy. Well, for LeBron, it's not about chasing external accolades. It's about hunting your own legacy, and that's to be the greatest of all time.
Sean Livingston rejects
Another
it.
foul.
And he's fouled. Davis going to the line for 2.
This drives me nuts when I see fouls like that being called in a close game. Sometimes you just gotta let them play, right?
First one goes down. 2 for 2 on that trip.
Good shot, man. Shot, boy.
Knocked loose. It's a
Come on.
as they head the other way. Tough looking shot there. Still gets it to go down.
That transition offense was flawless when guys fan out and actually fill the lanes with a sense of urgency. You heard me correctly, a sense of urgency. You will get a great shot every possession.
To Davis. Anthony Davis looking good. 4 for 5.
Well, this player struggled early because he was always trying to beat his man off the dribble, pretty much playing 1-on-5. Now the
Hot
players
100.
moving around quickly during the perimeter and responding him on the second and third touches. That's when you attack the score.
What?
And he drains it.
If you're coaching against this player, you have to throw some fake traps, some fake schemes. How are you making this player think instead of just naturally react?
The crossover gets inside and the slam dunk.
I see the easy dunk, but what I don't see is energy. Scream, do something. Get yourself emotionally involved in the game.
Both teams tweaking their lineup.
Is Curry back?
Some changes.
Yes, Curry's back.
Irving. Oh, he couldn't get it to go. To Curry. Fires the 3. Can't get the bounce. To Irving. Yes.
What?
It drops. Little drop
How?
on that one. Knocked loose. That's a turnover. It goes the other way.
No.
Irving drains it.
And he already
Because
caught up.
someone is listening to you doesn't mean that they actually hear you. At the end of the game, when players get tired, they listen to what the assignment was, but they didn't hear what it was.
Durant. Well defended.
Yeah, there was no way he was gonna
To
make that.
Thompson. 4-3. That right there, Jay, his 8th 3 of the game. He is putting on a show.
He's defying physics with that jumper. He's not even holding his foul through.
It's Harden. Yes, when this guy's open, look out. Nearly automatic.
These breakdowns happen because the team lacks communication. You have to point towards your man, keep that butt towards the baseline, and make sure you communicate through every screen.
Harden slams it
Oh
home
my
on the putback.
gosh.
Woo, that's nasty right there.
I got ball, I got ball, I got ball.
Curry.
I got ball.
Not that time. He misses. Knocked loose. That's going to get out of bounds. Last touch by Green. So possession will stay right where it is. New blood coming in for both sides. Irving buries it.
Don't seem shocked. This is how the game is played these days. Shooting a 3 is like shooting a layup.
Knocked loose. It's a turnover as they head the other way.
No.
This thing is not over.
Kawhi Leonard. 4
Okay.
out of 10.
Okay.
Well, we got a chance to firsthand watch something be created. I think we just watched an epidemic of passing. I've never seen something like this before. It was so contagious. Everybody started to do it, and it ultimately led to the other team's demise.
If that's an
Oh, well.
epidemic, sign me up. It's Curry controlling the offense. Lets it fly from long range. He's not shy about shooting it from out there, but he misses this time.
Just
No.
because you're an elite shooter doesn't mean you need to shoot the ball every possession. Maybe give a head fake, crack into the defender, get to the free throw line, see the ball go in the hole.
That's a turnover. It goes the other way. Here's Irving into the front court. His team on top by 8.
Oh man.
Where's
Oh,
the chatter?
that's
No
game.
one's even close to him.
Defense, do the math. You force him to take tough twos, you probably have a better chance to win this game if you can slow down the pace.
Thompson, the hot night continues. He's hit 9 threes here tonight.
Uh-oh, someone's getting towards that single-game record territory. He's having that kind of night.
And he can't get it to go down. It's no good. Anthony Davis. He's now shooting 5 for 7. We get a whistle and a timeout by Golden State. They're down big in this fourth quarter and a chance here to empty their bench. The opposing coach is going to counter, make some changes of his own. Russell, too good to leave that wide open. D'Angelo Russell hits.
I know the refs on the court all the time, but it doesn't mean they can see every play. Maybe defensively, grab his jersey, step on his toe, do something to kind of change up his pace.
Now the Warriors gonna call a timeout. That's their second of the final 3 minutes. No more timeouts left the rest of the game. Russell, it's a turnover as they head the other way. Backward violation.
Oh
is
no.
called.
10 points. Can I do it? I don't know.
D'Angelo Russell. That's how you defend.
Great contest by the D, but I want to see the coaching staff call the same exact
Yeah,
play
I
the
know.
next possession. Get that offensive
GG.
player the ball. Let him prove that it wasn't the D. It was
GG.
more in his own head.
Hey, match up, match up, match up.
Knocked loose. Russell here against Harden. Irving. Not done yet. Tough make through traffic.
Come on, dog. This shot play for the D. Yeah, what is that, dog? Come on, man.
That misses with a second to go.
Oh, GG. Oh guys, that's the end of my live stream. Thanks for watching. Hope you like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.